Hello, I'm Patrick Green, CEO of UF Health Jacksonville. The Administrative Fellowship focuses on three main aspects: quality educational rotations, expanding your network, and continuous leadership and professional development opportunities to better prepare you for an exciting career. You will learn what it takes to be a successful leader in our healthcare field.
I chose the fellowship at UF Health Jacksonville because it really drew me in on how much it was community focused and community centered. The fact that we get to take care of everyone here is something that you can really feel throughout the hallways.
Pursuing an administrative fellowship gives a different perspective on healthcare because it's such a unique opportunity. You really get to see the more holistic view of the intricacies of an organization, especially as complex as UF Health Jacksonville. So being able to rotate through the various departments and work with different teams, you're able to see how each one of them collaborate together in order to contribute to the overall mission of the organization.
Fellows act as liaison, facilitating communication and collaboration between administrators and physicians. This cross-functional understanding can help align organizational goals with clinical needs, leading to more effective decision-making and implementation of initiatives that positively impact patient care.
A project I worked on during my fellowship that impacted the organization as a whole was the outpatient rehab expansion at our North Clinic. I now am the office manager of this clinic, which is a really great full circle moment.
A project that I worked on was the assessment of our critical care coverage at both our downtown and our north campuses. I was able to expand my knowledge on our critical care services overall and the types of patients that we treat in each of our ICUs.
We have mentorship that comes with the program and also comes after the program. I've had the ability to mentor quite a few and to have them work alongside me when I ran the emergency room and I ran the pavilion and I ran now the north. It's just fantastic.
My time as administrative fellow has prepared me for that next step in my career. It has built my confidence, it has expanded my network, and it has helped me hone in on my healthcare interests.
The skills that are learned during the administrative fellowship are extremely valuable. Those skills, I believe, are not only helpful in healthcare administration, but could also be easily transferable to other organizations or other career fields.
I invite you to learn about this amazing opportunity and what we have to offer right here at UF Health Jacksonville.